A string is one or more characters combined together between two quotation marks. And these characters are used to define names, symbols, things which cannot be a part of mathematical calculation. If I define, for example, I say my name, this is a variable. Of course, one of the important rules in Python variables, they should not contain a space. So I cannot say my name, and the variables must start with a letter. And I say, so notice something here. I defined Murad between two quotation marks. Also, they could be in double quotation, like the strings can be represented by a series of characters or one character, for example. Let's say, so if I say letter, it is H. And notice it returned letter in single quotation marks. My name, for example, again in single quotation marks. Although I define them by double, this is the standard of Python. I can print my name. And notice when I used print, it removed the quotation marks. Also, I can say, for example, device. I can define an article in English language like the. Now I can use addition with strings. For example, 1 plus 2, 1, 2. Notice this is not 12. This is 1, 2. Plus here works as a concatenation operator. So the concatenation means to combine two strings in one. So if I print, I will get, we need to add a space. Now if I print, okay. We can access the elements of the string by their position in the string. For example, device 0 and press enter. It will return M, the first element in the string device. If I want another one, let's, for example, 5, it's O. O is the sixth element. So the index starts always with 0. Keep this in mind because we will see this a lot in this course. Modification methods, they change the shape of the string. For example, if I say device add point, and then we write capitalize. So as you see, it changed the case of the word computer to small, because capitalize changes only the first letter in the string to capital. If we use upper, it changes all letters. The opposite is lower. All small. S. So as you see here, all in small letters, but if I say s dot title, it capitalized every single word in order to put it in a title form. Join is used to join letters given separately in a container. For example, T, and I add a separator, like for example, the and sign. And then I say T join. and I give a list of some letters like A, comma, B, comma, C. You see, it joined the three letters by using the character I defined in T. So T is the separator. If I don't want to separate with anything, instead of T, I can use two consecutive quotation marks. No space, this is a space. No, without space. And it will be ABC. If I add a space, of course, it will show A, B, C with spaces. Testing methods, they test the content. For example, device.isAlpha. Now maybe you can look to device. Let me print it again. So you will see Mac computer is only letters, right? However, for this function, the space is not an alphabetic value. Let's check another string, article. True, because it's just letters. X equals 1, 2, 3. This is a string. This is 1, 2, 3. It's not 123, okay? So if I say X is alpha, it's false. Is X numeric? Yes, it is numeric. Hello dot is upper. True. Article is lower. It's true. Let's say device is title. True. The two words start with capital letters, so this is the title case, so it is true.